Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series. First question of the day is asking Kapu refers to a social grouping of agriculturists found primarily in the southern Indian state of option A Karnataka, option B Kerala, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Tamil Nadu, and the correct option is option C Andhra Pradesh, where the Kapu community is found. Moving to our second question, what was the objective of Pradeep Shah Committee? Option A to develop international retail businesses at the International Financial Services Center. Option B to decide ceiling rates under duty reimbursement scheme for exporters. Option C formulating food policy in the long term. Option D merger of 7 associate banks with the State Bank of India. And the correct option is option A. Pradeep Shah Committee was constituted to develop international retail businesses at the International Financial Services Center. Moving to our third question, consider the following statements regarding the Sabira Kambada Basadi or temple. First statement, it is a Basadi or Jain temple noted for 1000 pillars in Mudabidri, Karnataka. Yes, first statement is correct. Second statement, the temple is also known as Chandranath temple in the honor of the Tirthankar Chandraprabha. Yes, second statement is also correct. So option B, both statement is correct regarding the Sabira Kambada Basadi or temple. Question 4, the headquarters of the International Tropical Timber Organization is located in option A Japan, option B Taiwan, option C Thailand, option D South Korea, and the correct option is option A Japan, where the headquarters of the International Tropical Timber Organization is located. Moving to our fifth question, in which one of them is a classical language of India? Option A Hindi, option B Gujarati, option C Sanskrit, option D Marathi, and the correct option is option C. Sanskrit is a classical language among the 6 classical languages. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.